So if you need a cream that is going to moisturize your skin, leave your skin healthy, leave your skin looking smooth and beautiful, I have one recommendation for you. This is not a lightening cream though. This is a beautiful cream I have been using for a while, and yeah, Nurture Body Lotion with red berries and milk. Like, this cream is very very nice. It doesn't contain any lightening ingredients. This is a very beautiful cream. Like, it smells like strawberry yogurt, literally. Like, it smells so nice. It smells very very nice. And this product is from Imperial International Limited. If you know that particular company, they have a couple of products. Yeah, and this one really is nice. This cream has three variants. It has the red berries, it has the blue one, I'm going to put up the pictures, and it has the cocoa butter also. So this cream contains, basically, aside all the mete, it contains red berries extract, milk protein, petroleum jelly, silicone oil, and a whole lot of it. So basically, this cream is formulated to moisturize your skin, to leave your skin looking healthy and supple. Okay, it doesn't have any lightening ingredients, but it has ingredients that is going to, help your skin to remain healthy and to be moisturized. So if you're looking for a moisturizing body lotion on the affordable rates, this is the cream for you. Yeah, and their brand ambassador and the face of the lotion is our favorite Shine Rossman. Yeah, so this cream is actually my favorite now because I've been using this for a while. Like, it's almost out, and it's very nice. It's not going to darken you. So if you're scared that maybe you are fair and it's going to darken you, it's not going to darken you. Although this is not my only body lotion, right? Yeah, this is my daily body lotion. I have a lightening body lotion I use sparingly, but this is my normal daily lotion. Like, when I have my bath in the morning or at night, I use it every day or every other day when I'm not using my lightening lotion, and it is nice. It doesn't make you sweat, and it has this thick consistency like this. So yeah, let me apply it for you. I'm not going to apply this much, but this is what it's. So it's light texture, and it easily penetrates into your body, and I don't know, it has this oil feel. It just moisturizes your body, it hydrates your body at the same time. It doesn't just moisturize your body, it hydrates your body, because it just makes your skin feel soft instantly. You apply immediately, you apply it to your skin. So I'm really in love with this particular lotion. So if you're looking for a moisturizing lotion, a hydrating lotion that is not lightening, okay, that is on the affordable rate, this is the cream for you. And basically, I bought this cream for 2,000 naira. You will not believe it. I didn't also believe it when I was told the price. With the price of creams in this country right now, this is very affordable. So I got it for 2,000 naira, and this cream, I would recommend it for even your young child, because it doesn't contain any harmful ingredients. It doesn't contain any acid, all those lactic acid, citric acid. It doesn't contain anything acid. It is just a normal skin moisturizer, skin hydrator, and they did a good work with it. I really love it. When you apply it, like 1 week into the cream, you're going to see your skin looking so soft, and the whole milk protein thing, I don't know how it works, but I really like this one. Don't mind my cover. I don't know how I broke it too, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It doesn't come in any pack. It comes like this, just in a bottle like this. Okay, so yeah, that's all about this particular lotion. This is a quick one, so I thought to share this with you. It doesn't make you sweat, if you are wondering, and it smells nice. Like, God, it smells like strawberry. So nice. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this one. So thank you for watching. I'm going to see you on our next one. Always remember to smile, because it's never out of fashion. All right, so I'm going to see you on our next one.